Hey, Scott Grove here, and if you've been following me, I've been just on the side building a garage, and it's been kind of fun. But any carpenter, if you don't know how to flip a hammer, boy, you're dead in the water. So I figure I might as well show you some hammer flips 101, a little more some advanced stuff, just if you guys want to venture out. But boy, there's nothing better than flipping a hammer while you're building a deck. So I like a 16-ounce hammer. You know, you can be dangerous with these, so kids, don't try this at home, or at least do it when your parents aren't home, and do it over the kitchen sink. Anyhow, so you got the hammer and you got the basic flip. It's not all wrist. You know, you want to, as a juggler, you want to use some forearm, and you want to kind of throw it and keep it to your side, so if you miss, it's not going to hit you, right? So that's the first thing. So you got the flip. And I also kind of roll it off my thumb to help push it. As I go up, I kind of push it down a little bit, just so I have a little more control of that. Right? So there's the hip. Then, of course, you got the side spin. So you got the one flip, you got the two flip. That's pretty basic. If you want to go a little more advanced, you can do the reverse flip. Right? Now, I don't have my tool belt on, but the thing is, you forward flip, back flip, and then you put it in your belt. Or you can do a forward front and forward reverse, right? If you want to combine those, and this is a little trickier, you're going to do forward here, and I'm not going to catch it, I'm going to slap it to a reverse. So we got like, oh, there we go. So let's try that again. So that's the standard flip, slap, reverse flip. Try that again, okay? So now there's always over the back, right? That's kind of cool, and if you're nailing, you flip it over the back and you go right into a nail. That's when the clients are watching. So now we're going to combine all those. So we do the front flip, the back flip, and over the back. Oh, try that again. I'm doing it slow motion here. So there, and then you do this, right? So now we're going to speed that up. So front, back, and over the front, right? Let's try that again. Right? Now, of course, you can double all of this stuff. So you can go double, back. Oh. It's been a while. Let's see if we can do the double back. You probably missed that one. Nope, going too far. There we go. Okay, so there you go. I think that's the basics of the hammer. Of course, balancing is always good. Balancing on the chin. I don't do the nose because it'll slip off your nose and crack you in the skull. And then, of course, you just go for numbers. So let's give that a try. We'll close that out. So we got 1, right? We got 2. We got 3. You can do 4. Oh, that one hurt. One more time. 4. There's 4. Who wants to bet I can do 5? Let's see if we can do 5. There's 5. Think I can do 6? Not sure if I can do 6, but we'll see. I can do 6 without, I see I got the rafters here, so maybe I got to go in between the rafters. Oh, there we go. Ah, there. Okay, let's try 6. 6 in between the rafters. Nope. Hit the rafter. One more time. Oh, it was 5.5. And there's 6 and I missed it. 6 is doable. There it is. We got 6. Okay, so there you go. So if you're building an addition, practice your hammer flips, and you'll impress everybody. And I don't have my glasses on, so I hope you enjoy that. I'll be posting a time-lapse video on building the garage. Doing this all by myself. Help with my lovely wife Nancy, and Greg actually helped pour the footings. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Imagine Grove, or go to my website, imaginegrove.com, and you'll see some time-lapse video of that. So thanks everybody for watching, and remember, hammer flip. Be safe. Bye-bye.